Quartzite is a stunning and true focal point for any area, but traditionally it's been perceived as a very difficult material to fabricate due to its hardness and fragility. Well, not anymore. We're here to tell you that if you're using the right tools, you can fabricate quartzite such as Taj Mahal or white Macrobus just like any other materials. Often fabricators use standard granite and quartz tooling for quartzite. While this does work to an extent, you'll find the tools wear much quicker and the results are far from perfect. We've developed our Fury range specifically designed for fabricating quartzite. Exclusive to Stonegate, we've worked with manufacturers to bring out a range of tools, a blade, a router and a core drill. The Fury router is a strong, reliable tool that's guaranteed to give results every time. With an average life of 12 metres, this router is ideal for stock removal such as sink cutouts, etc. and it also features an end segment ideal for rebating. Our Fury core drill is designed to last with a forgiving bond. It comes with a 1/2 inch gas thread and an M14 fitting, a dual thread, designed to be used on a handheld machine or on a CNC. Our Fury blade offers an excellent cut even through the hardest of materials. It stays sharp throughout its life, and whether you're cutting straight lines or miters, you can be assured of its consistent performance. Remember, if you're interested in revolutionising your quartzite fabrication but want to try before you buy, we always welcome visitors to our state-of-the-art innovation hub. Here you'll be able to meet our technical experts, get advice on tooling and solutions, and check out our latest tooling innovations. Please get in touch today if we can help you take your quartzite fabrication to the next level.